And I felt my brakes didn't hold when I stopped. So yeah, just didn't dare to finish. My brakes were too mushy, the turns were too tight, and the road too steep for me to even try to attempt going back down. So this is one that we will have to revisit. You can kind of see where we attempted to go back there. So, feels kind of stupid, but that's how it goes.
Every day before you, I was holding